Welcome on into another video. In this one, we're going to be looking at Alibaba's Super September sales event where they have the biggest discounts if you're looking to order private label or drop shipping type products where you're able to get up to 40% off. Now is the time to do it before we see the end of the year, the holiday season, the crazy rush, and also the slow shipping times are going to take a little bit longer to arrive into the US warehouses or wherever you're planning to ship. So now's the time to get into it. One of the big things to keep in mind is we want to spend less and sell more. It's not all about getting a $15,000 initial product order, then you're stuck with too much inventory. You want to have a small, nimble business in the beginning to see what's really going to work. I'm going to show you how to investigate and see which suppliers are best, how you're going to get the lowest prices, and all in all, how you can start a business for under $5,000 and get your product purchased within 30 days. Let's jump in and get to it right now. All right, so we are here at Alibaba.com. For any of you guys that do not know what this website is, it's pretty much a gold mine. This is where you can find products that you can purchase for a very low price and import them, for instance, in my case, to the US and sell them for quite a bit more money. Now, what I'm really excited about is their Super September sales event, which you can see starts in 3 days and 4 hours at the time of me making this video. And this is Alibaba.com's biggest annual promotion where global business buyers and sellers can stock up inventory ahead of the holidays and try out new services on the Alibaba.com platform at the lowest prices all year. This year, you're going to be experiencing discounted rates on newly launched drop shipping and door-to-door shipping solutions. So we're going to look in at the Super September sales event. I'm even going to give you some ideas on what products to pick because you want to, of course, get something that's going to already be selling well wherever you're planning to sell it. So I'm going to give you some ideas on that. With growth of online retail businesses in the US market under this global pandemic, Alibaba.com is aiming to help small business owners to solve 3 main pain points, which is going to include finding easy products instead of having to painstakingly source through many suppliers. These are going to be hand-picked suppliers that are great for this Super September event. Also, that's going to be the second pain point, finding trustworthy suppliers. These are already hand-picked, curated suppliers, good to go, ready for you. They're not going to be pulling any fast ones on you or anything like that. And also, we're going to be aiming to fulfill the best logistics experience possible, getting you on-time shipping, which is literally like gold at this time right now. And throughout this video, I'm going to pretend that I'm a brand new person coming in and I have 1 month to find and purchase a product and I can't spend more than $5,000 on my first order. So once you come to the Alibaba.com homepage, which I have linked right down below in the description, we can go click on this Super September event. And it's going to take us to a page that looks just like this. So we're going to be stocking up smart before the busy holiday season, before everything's super hard to get. This is their biggest sale they have all year round. Looks like they have 40% off of all categories. And like I said, this is starting very soon. So it's really important you take advantage of this right now. So if you're drop shipping, that's going to work out great for you. If you just want to put up a website and have a few cool pictures of listings of products you plan to sell, you can set those up. You don't even have to buy inventory up front. You just make good listings, and once you start getting sales on those listings, then you can come to these drop shipping suppliers and purchase each individual product from them as your orders come in, and then your supplier will ship it to your customer's address. Now, that's a lot more painstaking than the private label door-to-door shipping business I like to do, but pretty much we can come down and start seeing all their categories right here. And we can look at all their different little products they have, everything from vacuum cleaners to heat transfer machines if you want to make some big cool prints or something like that, to walkie-talkies, I mean everything. But I want to actually go ahead and source by category so we can see beauty and personal care. There's literally so many categories that you can see here: health and medical, gifts and crafts, home and garden, office and school supplies. It just keeps going on. Security and protection, that's a great niche right there in and of itself. I want to come down and just go ahead and look at electrical equipment and supplies. So let's click on that and see if we can find something. And right off the bat, I'm already seeing Sunway solar powered products. Solar powered things are really cool, and with the energy crisis a lot of people are facing right now, solar powered is pretty much going to be a big way of the future. So if I come into the Super September event for the solar panel company, the first thing I want to do is verify whether or not this supplier is actually awesome or not. And based on their video, you can see the manufacturing capabilities they have. That is really good to see. I'm actually going to go up and click on their company name, which you can see right here. And then there's a few things that you want to keep in mind. When you see the verified badge here, that means they are awesome. They've made it through the highest testing standards of Alibaba.com. They're from China, that's okay. They have 5 years in business. And the most important thing I like to see is right here that they are a manufacturer and a trading company. So manufacturer means they're going to be producing the products and you can get the product for the lowest possible price. Trading company means they're going to have great skills at logistics and shipping it out to you with no problem. We're also going to want to just kind of skim through, their website and just see how legit everything looks. These guys look straight up awesome from what I can see right now. The next thing I would do, and we can come into their profile, company overview, go down and see a lot of their other information here. Manufacturer trading company, total employees, year established, product certifications. They have so much awesome information, and that's really the main thing I'm doing. They have a good satisfactory rating here. They've had 50 recent transactions totaling over $1.1 million. That's great. And this is really as far as I'm going to dig in to start seeing if they're legit enough. And then from there, I'm going to contact this supplier. Now, from here, I can just press this button, and then I have easy access to contact the supplier right here. I can say hello, and then start my message right down here. I can add attachments. Now, this is where I can get into a little bit about how well the products are maybe going to be selling on another marketplace where I plan to sell it. So I can come right on into Amazon. I typed in solar charger right up here. Now, these look like they're solar chargers for your phone or something like this. I can say solar panel maybe, and there you go. Right off the bat, we're seeing the prices of these are $170, $89, $170 here again. So with products that are priced a lot higher like these, you're able to get a higher profit margin when you sell it as opposed to, back here with these little $40 products. Your margin's going to be a bit smaller because there's only so much money to be made there. But here's the trick I want to show you. I can come up and use Helium 10 right now, and I will have a link right down below for Helium 10. This is like a $10 or $15 a month software, and it is so important and crucial to your business. You can see right here, sales. This is where we want to see how many sales a month each listing is making. This listing right here is making $34,000 a month. 800 sales, their price is $40. You got your brand name, you got how many reviews they have. They only have 74 reviews and they're doing $35,000 a month. These people don't even have many reviews. I like to look for the outliers. There's only 14 reviews here and they're still doing $35K a month. So I'm actually going to open this guy in a new tab because I want to show you something also really important that comes with this Helium 10 Chrome extension. And I will have a 50% off discount code if you want to use that coupon down below for Helium 10. But right here you can see a graph and we can say all time. And then you can see the lower this sales rank is, which you can see 85, 125. The lower that is, the more sales they're making. And then this shows maybe the seller ran out of stock for a little bit and the sales rank was higher and it's slowly starting to come down again. But when you have lower sales ranks, that means it's closer to product number 1 in the category and it's just making more sales. So the thing I wanted to show you was the revenue calculator. Now this is important because you need to see the Amazon fees. They're charging you $34 to sell this product on Amazon, but you're selling it at $120. So what's left is just to factor in the product cost and then you'll see your profit margin after all that. So we can come back to our supplier here and we'll hover over products and we'll say something like flexible solar panel, for instance. I think that's maybe one of the products that is what I was showing there. So it looks like it goes by wattage, so 45 cents per watt. Now, how many watts was this guy here? This is 100 watt, so maybe that's about $45 or so to buy the product. So $45 is the product cost, but then you also have to factor in the shipping of this product. So for this case, we'll just say it's an extra $7. So let's just say like the whole product costs you $52, including shipping, your logo. Like I'm saying, we're private labeling. You're putting your own logo and you're building your own brand on the product. Just like, this person did, their brand is Renogy or something like that. They've built their own brand, and that's what you're doing so that you can stand out and perhaps later build more products around your brand and sell the whole brand for hundreds of thousands of dollars as time goes on. So look at this. You'll make almost $34 every time you make a sale. And if I run the extension here one more time, they're doing 287 sales a month. So if I go 287 times this $34, you're looking at about almost $10,000 in profit on this product earned per month. Now, this is again a product with only 14 reviews. So they have great images, all that other stuff. The whole point, again, guys, is to just be able to have some information that you go back and leave a message with this supplier and say, hey, and then explain the specifics of what you're looking for. Like, why is this person doing so well with so few reviews? Maybe they have some special voltage or wattage or monocrystalline solar panel. Maybe it's a different type of solar panel. Whatever you find that's selling well, you want to start listing things out to these suppliers, and they're going to get back to you on what can meet your demands for this type of product. You can copy when you're done, like this whole message you're going to write. Copy it so that you can find other suppliers that are great and then paste it with like 5 or 10 other suppliers. You just press send now. You send out 10 messages to 10 suppliers. You'll be able to narrow down which suppliers are going to be the best for you, and that's how you can start your business very, very soon. And if we do a little bit more math, we can see this falls right into my guidelines. We're going to start with 100 units times $52 per unit. That's including shipping and everything. And that puts us right at our threshold of starting your business for just around $5,000. And 100 units is just small enough to, sell out and be able to reorder more without being out of stock for too long. It's also not too much inventory where you're sitting on too much. Maybe you had an issue with the instruction manual, you're getting returns, whatever happens. You want to start small, and that's how you can really start this out as soon as possible. So that's what we're looking at, guys. You can go into any of these suppliers, start messaging them, find products with other research methods like I have on my YouTube channel that show you how to see what is selling well on Amazon or other marketplaces. And then you can come in and find potential products, in the home and garden category right here. They have cool Green Life bamboo bathroom accessories. I could come right back to Amazon and say bamboo bathroom accessories, and I can go scroll through, and again, I can run my Helium 10 tool and see which items here perhaps are selling the best, which bundle is selling the best. That's another thing I love doing, bundling together items like right here. Then you can sell it for more money and more reviews come in. People love it a lot more. So once you find what's selling well, you plug it right on into Alibaba.com, and we can go hit up this supplier who's offering a awesome upcoming discount. And this is all going to be hitting here really soon. So the whole month of September, take advantage of the Alibaba.com September sales event and get your business started within 30 days. Really, if you can find a supplier and lock it down, make the order, all you have left to do in most cases is go to Amazon, create a Seller Central account, make a listing, and then you'll be able to ship the product into the Amazon warehouses, which is the method I like to do, fulfillment by Amazon. So you don't touch any of the inventory, and Amazon ships it out with 2-day prime shipping. This is probably just a third-party seller, just like me, selling this, that's getting this whole thing for like $10 or less, and they're selling it for $42. So that's how this business works. I will have my full Amazon FBA course linked down below for step-by-step everything you need to know, and there's a lot of landmines that can come in this business, so I really advise you to take some sort of program, and with mine you get my personal one-on-one help. Take advantage of this, guys. Stock up before the crazy holiday season, and you'll be able to sell out during the Christmas holidays and knock it out of the park. And you see it right here, September 1st through the 30th. And one of the best things is they're going to be having on-time delivery. It's really hard to get that with the whole pandemic facing us right now. Suppliers and shipping is backed up, but when you're under the spotlight of all these products and suppliers that have the connections to get you products in on time, utilize this, guys. That's what I'm saying. This is the Super September event. Check it out at Alibaba.com and get it on. Thanks again so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe for more, but definitely check out the links below for Alibaba.com and the Super September event. Go check it out now, and we'll see you on the other side.